Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Views in front of you right now, Canon Pixma TS5140 model, and printer is jamming the paper, not picking up the paper well. Seems that something is stuck inside. How to check the paper jam and what is the causes and how to fix it, I will show you today, and watch the complete video and fix your printer at home. Let's fix this. As you can see, I gave the copy command and printer is stucking from the right side over here. It's not feeding well. So which things you need to consider? If I will lift the cover up and you will see the inner part of the printer. Okay, I will lift this up with the help of any screwdriver. Okay, I hold the one screwdriver over here. So I want to show you that, guys, in the printer, if we will move the print cartridge on the right side. Okay, first of all, turn off the power. Not able to move it back right side. You can see the white. This is the main roller over here that feed the paper, and this is the white part. You can see the white plastics all over there. We have to lift it up one by one. Okay, we will lift this up. So paper is stucking from this side. No, it's going from here but stucking from the right side. So might be something should be down over here. So how to lift it without being disassemble the printer and without getting damaged? Insert the screwdriver from this side and then I will lift this up, okay, one by one, and we will see is there anything down over there. I insert this plastic sheet, a hard sheet, inside from behind the paper path because I was not able to find any part inside. So if there was something stuck over there, so it should be released with this help of this. As viewers, you can see I found the piece of paper over here. If I will zoom it in, you will see this is the piece of paper. With the help of this plastic sheet, I insert from behind and I will find this piece of paper. We will remove this out. I think paper was jammed inside before and it got stuck. So we will remove it slowly. Complete one. Look, this was the one. The piece of paper was inside. So that's why it was getting paper was getting stuck. This is the plastic sheet that I told you earlier that you can use this plastic sheet. Now I think everything seems clear. We will turn back on. You can see it's feeding the paper now very fine. The issue is resolved. Hope you understand the method. If ever you got stuck in paper jam, any kind of inkjet printer, you have to use the same method as I mentioned earlier. This was the way, guys, how to release the paper if anything got stuck inside and paper is jamming from the feeder path. I hope you understand the method. If you have any other method you know better, okay, just let me know in the comments. All the best.